case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1973, the Supreme Court of the United States heard United States v. Russell, a case that revolved around the concept of entrapment. Entrapment is not a valid defense if the defendant was already predisposed to commit the crime, and law enforcement should focus on preventing crime rather than creating it. Richard Russell had been convicted of manufacturing and selling methamphetamine, but claimed entrapment as part of his defense. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals initially agreed with Russell, overturning his conviction after an undercover agent supplied him with a key ingredient to produce the drug. However, this decision was later reversed by the Supreme Court. The entrapment case involved an undercover agent named Joe Shapiro, who offered to provide Russell and his co-defendants with a crucial chemical for producing methamphetamine in exchange for half of the drugs they made. Shapiro's main goal was to discover the location of the drug laboratory. Despite Russell's argument of entrapment, the Supreme Court found that he was in fact predisposed to commit the crime. The court ultimately held that the entrapment defense only applies when law enforcement induces an innocent individual to commit a crime. Russell's concession that the jury had found predisposition based on evidence undermined his entrapment claim. Additionally, the court ruled that law enforcement is allowed to infiltrate drug rings and participate in illegal activities for the purpose of gathering evidence, without violating due process principles.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.